death investigation.
From his final resting place to what could have been Jackson's comeback in Las Vegas, Alicia has it all in tonight's Stage 3.
Well, for many reasons, our town continually held Michael Jackson's interest, not the least of which, internationally renowned deal maker Jack Wishna. When it comes to Michael Jackson in Las Vegas, all roads lead to Wishna. He was Jackson's business partner and responsible for moving Michael and his kids from Dublin, Ireland to Las Vegas in December of 2006. In my exclusive conversation, Wishna told me he was constantly trying to create an income stream for Jackson. It was after Wishna realized that Michael was incapable of performing on stage, even just 3 nights per month, that he shifted focus to yet another huge Jackson deal. Now this one would be a show built around 30 of Michael's biggest hits. Quincy Jones was on board. Even a meeting with the Cirque people took place. The plan would be open the show in Asia, tour the world for a couple of years, then sit it down for good here in Las Vegas. Michael's only responsibility would have been to show up on opening night and collect his sizable checks. Now, when I asked Wishna if he plans to still pursue this deal, he told me there is only one member of the Jackson family with whom he will negotiate, Katherine Jackson. And he says he won't make that call until after she has buried her son. Incidentally, it's Jack's estimate that in the next decade, the Jackson kids will be worth an estimated 10 to 30 billion each. Well, since Jackson's passing, there has been endless speculation on just where the King of Pop is, and all of it wrong. In fact, in the past 3 days, Entertainment Tonight has been reporting that Michael was buried last weekend. Again, wrong. I spoke exclusively with LaToya Jackson, who is the legal guardian of Michael's remains. She confirmed to me, quote, Michael was absolutely not buried over the weekend, and you can quote me on that. Now, earlier today, I appeared on both Access Hollywood and CNN to discuss just that and all things Jackson. LaToya tells me he is absolutely not buried yet, but she did say he will be buried sometime very soon at Forest Lawn. She tells me that he looked absolutely beautiful, completely at peace, as though he were in a very deep sleep. He's wearing a glove on each hand, and his hair and makeup was styled by his longtime hair and makeup person. I was told his hair is in long cascading curls. And again, LaToya says he looks amazing. LaToya also told me that she visited her brother 6 days ago. It's the 3rd time she has done this. She also says that Neverland is definitely not in consideration. He will be laid to rest at Forest Lawn sometime very soon. She also tells me she is still working very closely with detectives on Michael's murder investigation. Incidentally, she is definitely in favor of this top secret deal that Jack Wishna plans to resurrect in Las Vegas. And that's what's up.